Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get cashback on PayPal purchases. So the step number one is to open your PayPal application on your phone and log into your account using your email and password. After that you're just going to tap on the deals or offers tab at the bottom of the screen to browse available cashback deals. So from there you can browse the offers and tap on activate on any cashback deal that you want to use before making a purchase. Next is complete your purchase through the activated offer link to ensure your cashback is tracked. And lastly is go to your PayPal wallet to check your cashback balance and see when it will be available. So you just have to wait for it and just keep on checking your PayPal application. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!